Okay, now I want to show you how you can put the side seams together on this vest, because I want mine reversible, and you can see that it's just disappearing completely. So here's the other side. So what I did first was I stitched the seam together just like I normally do. Then I took my scissors and I cut just the bottom, or just one side of the seam allowance away, so that I had enough to work with, so that I am going to be able to turn this up over on top of each other. Okay, so then after I did that, I went to my serger, because this is extremely fraying fabric, and I went ahead and serged the edge of the one that was wider on the seam allowance. Then I went and pressed it really good. I pressed it just like this. Then I opened it, and then I pressed it over like this. And then I pressed under this part. So now what I have at the machine is my already turned down, and you can see my serging is right there, and it's just enveloping right over top of that other raw edge that's left. And then I've got a foot on that has a little guide. So I'm almost always on target. If my cutting was correct, then I'm right on the edge, and I stay nice and straight with my stitching. And so now when I get finished, I will have a beautiful flat seam just like this. And this is the side I did. And see how beautiful that is? Just a little stitch right here and a little stitch right, and then that's my side seam. And I am pressing it toward the front, but it doesn't matter which way you do it. But try to do both sides the same. So that means you would be sure and trim off the side that's toward the front or toward the back, so that on both sides, so that you're consistent on that seam being flat. And I think I'm almost done with this vest. I'm excited.